Hello, welcome. Haven't done much talking today. I've been at home. My new schedule, I now have every other Friday off for at least the next, I don't know how long. So, trying to take advantage and get some stuff done at home on those days off, take care of some projects, things I don't get along with very well during the regular week. So, one of those things is to refill my foaming hand wash. As you can see, most of them are getting pretty low, so then they don't foam really well. So James starts going, when are you gonna refill those? Not really, because he doesn't do that, but he does ask. So I figured that today I could probably tackle this project while he is gone and get that done so that we would have refilled pumps for the weekend. We've got some company and that kind of stuff, so want to get that done. So all you need to do this is, if you want, you can get the foaming bottles from doTERRA. If you have them from the BOGO, that's great. If you don't, what I did after I used up a bottle from this company here, that you probably have plenty of these, you can empty it out, wash it out, and then just refill one of these if you're trying to recycle and you don't have one of the foaming bottles. So I have a million of these, but for some reason I still keep these, a few of these around, just to use these instead. So all you need is the bottle, you need water, this foaming hand soap, hand wash, this is like the concentrate kind of, from doTERRA, and then I also add the On Guard, the oil. So you'll just need those few things in order to make up some foaming hand wash. doTERRA makes it really easy with putting together the mix already in the bottle. So all I do when I want to refill is I take my bottle. You can use straight concentrate in the bottle if you like. I prefer to dilute it about 50-50. It just helps me conserve how long this lasts, and then also helps to make it not so strong if you don't care for the smell, which is not the problem I have. But it smells like On Guard, which is the protective blend. This is like fall in a bottle. It's got cinnamon, it's got clove. It smells so like warm and spicy, and it's also really good for boosting your immune system, helping with those bugs, all those things that the kids are going to be tracking in with the back to school season. So this is a really good blend to diffuse. You can use it in the soap. There's toothpaste, laundry soap, all the things with the protective blend in it. So all I do is I take my foaming hand soap bottle, and then I take the concentrate and pour it in. So like I said, I do about half the bottle with that. And then because it's going into fall, back to school season, people are going to start bringing home a lot more germs. I also like to add a couple drops, so I'll just add like 3 or 4 drops of On Guard, and then I just fill it up with water, which I actually have water in an empty bottle here, so I just fill up the rest of the way with water, and then make sure that you leave enough room for like this part of the pump to actually be inside the bottle. So I always have to like gauge that, make sure I don't overflow. So yeah, and then I just give it a little shake. There's tons of different recipes. If you don't want to buy the concentrate, you can make your own with Castile soap, water. You can use coconut oil fractionated in it, and then just add the oil blend to it. But I don't love all the DIYs. There's some I do, there's some I don't. So this one, I just like the convenience that doTERRA has put together with giving us the bottle, giving us the pumps, and then I just have to put it in and add the water. So that's all you got to do. I've got 2 more to refill for our other sinks. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know what your favorite way is to use On Guard. I'd love to know, and especially if you've got something new for me. I just learned some new things this week, including something I tried out last night. There were some mosquitoes last night when I went on a walk, and I was taught by somebody this week that tried this out by accident, but she was bit like all over one night when she was out last week, and she had nothing with her but On Guard, and so she just started putting On Guard all over her legs, and somehow, some way, which now I think about it, the immune support and the body's being compromised, the On Guard's going to go in and support your immune system with fighting off all those bites, but they like really help to reduce the itching and the swelling and all of that. So this is perfect for summer, fall, all the immune threats this winter. So get your hands on this. If you need it, let me know. I always have extra bottles available. So happy Friday. Enjoy your weekend. Let me know if you've got any questions. Thanks. Bye.